Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where I teach you how to translate any subtitles into any language that you want. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna use Capcut. It's a free software you can download for any system. Then you're gonna import any video that you like. I just picked up one for Cristiano Ronaldo. So the next thing you wanna do is that you wanna go into text and then you wanna go into auto caption. You want to choose the language that it was originally, the audio is original from, right? So it's going to create you all the captions here. It's going to be in English because the interview is in English. And now that we have the translations, for example here, it's all the translations and you can change any word that you want. But that's not important right now. What we need is to transform all this text into, say, Spanish, for example, for a Spanish audience. So the next step you want to do is that you want to export this, and here you can choose any resolution that you want. It's not needed. All you need is a text file that it's going to produce called SRT. So we're going to just do this here, and we're going to wait for it to finish. Now we're gonna go into the folder where we produce the file, and here you can see we have the video and we have the SRT file. So the next step we want to do is that we're gonna go into this website. I'll put it on the description of this video, or you can go to any website that transforms SRT files. You're gonna click here and then you're gonna choose that SRT file. And then here, you're gonna choose Spanish in this case because we're converting. We're gonna click translate. And then here, you can see all the text has been translated. So now, I'm gonna come here and click save as, and I'm gonna save that SRT file. Then I'm gonna go back into Capcut. I'm gonna undo the English subtitles, and then here I want to go into local captions, and then I want to go to import, and then here I just want to import the one I just did, and then I just import it here, and that's it. So here you can see that it's putting the Spanish text that we translated from that website using AI, and the whole process was free, and then you can just export it, and then there you have your subtitles.